Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Beam. Wanted to cover it again. I mean, I've covered Beam quite a lot in the last couple of months. I think, obviously, when it had that huge bull run. So I know quite a lot of you follow this channel for Beam, or at least subscribe for Beam. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts, especially right now, when I think that that Beam has quite a lot of potential. All right. So let's take a look at that. At this moment, I'll tell you why I think it has potential in a moment. But at this moment, I mean, Beam, relatively to other cryptos, which you can, I think, still see here, is quite a strong one. You can see it's in the top 5 performers, at least out of the cryptos that I follow, and I follow quite a lot of cryptos. And apart from that, something I like the most, I would say, is that the open interest is also gaining quite a lot. All right, so. Here you can see the open interest. We've had a bit of a drop right here, but like before that, it's been super bullish. And if you compare the open interest right now, the last time we had levels of open interest like this was the 18th of January, when we tried to break out. Now, then it did not happen because, and I'm saying breakout, because the main structure for Beam is still some sort of a consolidation. All right, so let me quickly delete this. I think there's limited value to that. If you look at this has been a consolidation between ultimately 2.3 cents and to the bottom 1.6 cents, all right? So the last time around, like I said, the open interest was at the same levels. And back then it even was a little bit higher, and then Beam was not able to break out, which is a little bit of a bad sign. Now, the market circumstances, I would say right now, are more bullish, all right? Bitcoin is showing more bullish momentum. I am not certain to what extent Beam is actually correlated to Bitcoin, but I would say it's pretty high. Yeah, it's about 94%, which is really high. So more is possible right now due to the market circumstances, but I mean, nothing is confirmed yet. I think at this moment, given the market structure, given the momentum that we're seeing, and let me quickly reset the camera, and given the market circumstances, I did not say that. No, I did not say that already. I think it's most likely that we will continue to go up. Like I do expect us to hit that top of the range at 2.3 cents. And I'm also prepared for some sort of a breakout, all right? Because if Beam breaks out here, I mean, we can get a very big rally, all right? Like the next price target, I would really say, is around like 2.55 cents. But after that, we're going into price discovery mode almost. And something like 3 cents is even possible. So there's a lot of potential here, but at this moment, I think there's enough. I think the numbers that we can see point us towards a bullish direction, but I don't see enough to actually predict or tell you that I think we're going to have a huge rally. I think it's a possibility for sure, but at this moment, I mean, like I said, or like you can see, the open interest has dropped down quite a bit. RSI is quite high. We're getting quite a lot of liquidations, short liquidations. So I think it's a bit more likely that we'll get some sort of a pullback. The level I'm aiming for is probably this level at around, I would say, 1.95 cents. So I think a pullback is most likely, followed by a continuation to the top of the range. And if by that time the market is still strong, open interest is still good, then we can start talking about some sort of a breakout. But for now, Beam is just too correlated to Bitcoin, all right? Which, by the way, also means that if Bitcoin gets a big pullback today, which is also a possibility, then Beam will just drop back down, for sure, down to 1.95 cents and probably even lower. So keep that in mind. But for now, it still looks strong. I'll try to keep you updated on Beam. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get to those. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. But that's last for now. Have a great weekend. Take care and bye.